Hi you guys, I'm starting to tucker out. Welcome back for another video. I just have a plain box, okay? It is just a plain brown box, but it is from IPSY. So we're just gonna dig right into it. It is an unboxing, and I greatly appreciate you clicking on this video. My name is Lori, if you didn't know. And by the way, if you're new here, you hit that subscribe button over there. We become friends like just like that, and it's free. All right, let's get into this box, you guys. I was kind of, I guess you could say, what is this? You know what I mean? I do have my two profiles, but those didn't make any sense because they're supposed to be the bags, you know, Glam Bag Plus, and it's not Glam Bag X time until October. I completely forgot that, you know, there were some add-ons. And if you remember correctly, both the ladies get a little allowance and they buy one or two things in the beginning, and then after that they go back. So this was one of the little sets that I picked up. Cuter than heck. And I've gotten these before, but a product ruined them. I was able to salvage them. IPSY was not interested in fixing that mistake at all. So what ended up happening was one of the products, the top came off. It was a hair product, and it was during an add-on. It wasn't even twisted on, so the whole thing just saturated. I have a video of it. I have pictures of it. I have everything of it. The products were soaked. But the reason why I didn't complain about the products that got affected by it was because you could still use them. So who cares? If the box is ruined, I don't care. Can you still use the product? Yes. Is the product ruined? No. So those I did not complain about. The item that opened up and spilt all over the box during shipping or whatever, they just said, oh well. So anyway, they've never done that. They have always fixed a mistake or something damaged, broken, you know, anything that has happened like that bad, they've always corrected it. This time it was just a big whatever. So anyhow, this is from the Vintage Cosmetic Company. This is the I'm Soft and Comfortable, You Can Wash Me. This is the little headband. Look at the cute, the little animal print. I mean, is that not adorable? This is the little headband, and I have one in my bathroom that I use. It is so soft. Now I do use face halo only because, and I prefer it a little bit more because it velcros, so I can adjust it to any size. Like the velcro strips are about that big, so it's not tight. You know, some of these are real tight because they're made for kids. I mean, what kid is doing their face? What kid is washing their face and doing skincare? Women are doing their skincare at night and in the morning, not a child. So make these, you know what I mean? Anyway, it feels nice. I love this print. And then you get, this is the shower cap. Keep hair dry and frizz free. Look, it's got the matching shower cap. And then this one is the includes 3 cloths. So it's the removes makeup using only water. So kind of the same idea as the makeup eraser. You get 3 of them. Ooh, they're soft. They're soft. How cute. Check these out. Look at this animal print. I mean, is this not adorable or what? I love animal print. Use this side to exfoliate. Oh, look, it even has the tag that tells you. Use this side to exfoliate. Oh, it is different too. They're different. The sides are okay. You can see one's darker and the other one's a little less, a little like faded. That's pretty cool. I like those. Those are pretty. Then of course you have the other one I have is like that lemon one. You guys have seen that one on the website. I have that one too, and I like it. You know, there's some times when it is not wash the hair time, so it's just condition it and that's it. Okay, and then see, this is why I was at a loss. We haven't seen this box in forever. So I opened the box up. I'm like, what the heck is going on? Oh, and by the way, this was called the Leopard Trio. Yeah, a Leopard Trio. Anyway, We haven't seen this box in forever. So I wondered, what the heck in God's green earth am I getting? And it looks normal, you know, remember, discover yourself, and then our orange little spongy. It has the Morphe 2, which is the skincare and the skincare. So the Bubbly Fresh Gel to Foam Cleanser and the Total Softy Gel Moisturizer. So I guess I bought these. I don't remember, but it must have been a little pack or a set, because I got those. And then I also got these with this, and this one has animal print as well. So that I got the foam gel to foam cleanser, I got the gel moisturizer, and they're both from Morphe. Oh, and by the way, REM Beauty, the one that is going to launch, I think it's at the end of this month or next month, by Ariana Grande. She's coming underneath the Morphe umbrella. So yes, she did not do it on her own like Selena Gomez and some of the others. She's using Morphe's, or actually Morphe, she's coming underneath Morphe's umbrella. So that means it's very possible it's going to be affordable, because you know Jaclyn Hill's also under Morphe. Okay, this one, it says Simply Satch. Now let me explain something to you. This is what I like, even though this has the animal print on there. But look, see? It's like the ribbon, the long ribbon, and then you have the long Velcro, you know, depending on how long it is, decides, and it's not tight, so you have keeps your hair out of your face, and it doesn't make your head hurt, you know, you don't get a headache washing your face. Anyway, this is by Simply Satch, Fashion Meets Function. Fresh Start headband. It's really cute, and I did like it, and the reason why I got it is because of the animal print. So that, and now, you know, I do not necessarily remember getting this stuff, but it's cute, right? I mean, they're cute. Wait till I start doing videos of my skincare routine. I'll be all using these. I'm gonna be sporting this animal print stuff. I mean, why the heck not? Okay. All right, you guys, thank you so much for letting me share with you. I believe these are my pop-ups from IPSY. So through September. They came in September. They must have been September stuff. So that's the only thing that I can explain to you. And also, what is the date? Today is the 22nd of September. So when you see this video and it's edited and uploaded, this is the day we were having fun. Okay? This is actually the day we were having fun. It was a Wednesday. You guys take care, and until my next video, I'll see ya then. Bye.
Come on, groove it over. That's it, baby.
So I just received my box of pop-ups, and as you can tell, the box is completely soaked. This was just dropped off by my mailman about 10 minutes ago. This is what the box looks like. We have 80, 90, and 100-degree weather, so it's not raining here in California. Upon opening it and looking at it, this is about to break apart, so this is saturated. I think this is the culprit right here. The sea salt texturizing spray by Foxy Bay. This barely has anything in it. Oh, the top. Oh no. The top is unscrewed.
I know you're on a roll.